As you will see, Raiden, even the masters must keep in practice.
So what's Chavez practicing? Getting Gila Flame's butt kicked by Bob?
Mighty Shouter! Expect the unexpected.
Little human is not Shouter's summoner. Shouter warm up for real battle back home. Quillspike rumblers go down fast.
What's a Quillspike rumbler?
I don't want to talk about it.
Neither would Shouter if Shouter was Quillspike.
I am no Quillspike. I am Tetsurian the Unchained.
That why half-breed not protect own beastkin.
Protect them? From what?
Shouter here Quillspike territory under heavy siege.
According to my notes, the Quillspike are just humble farmers, not great warriors. That's what it said on the tablet.
We need to go help your people.
It ceased to be my home long ago.
Come on, how much worse can they be than the dragon side of the family?
You kids can't just wander off to the nature civilization.
I know. It's forbidden.
Not that that's ever stopped you before, but at least I can chaperone this field trip. Grab on.
Shouter must take leave now. Quillspike territory not far.
Why did he have to drop us off in the middle of Bug Central?
As I understand it, a banished creature returns to the exact spot from which it was summoned. A simple issue of matter displacement and conservation of energy, really.
Yeah, rhetorical question.
Something's different. The place seems smaller.
Wish I could say the same for the bugs. Guess I scared him off.
No, you didn't. That did!
Tetsurian, get them to safety!
Not this thing again.
This thing is Midnight Crawler, a water creature known for its voracious appetite.
Well, at least we know why Bob's hometown looks smaller.
So, you return to your ancestral land, just in time to see it swallowed by an Earth Eater.
Hello, Mother. Brother's back! Good to see you.
So, you gonna introduce us to your family?
This is my mother, Headstrong Wanderer, and two of my half-brothers, Razorhide and Prickleback.
Oh, that's not a proper greeting! Come on! Greet us like a true Quillspike! The Thorn Gods remain unkind to our half-brother. Hey! Ow!
Boys, stop harassing Bare Bottom.
Bare bottom.
Mother, I told you never to call me by that name. I am Tetsurian the Unchained.
Clearly the half-fire dragon is too good for his nature beast kin.
Shh. It's coming back.
But this time we're ready for it. Quillspike Rumblers, attack!
need a lot more firepower.
Kill a flame, the assaulter!
Legionnaire lizard hissy! That's right. Who's a good hissy? Who's gonna burn the oversized dirt muncher to a crisp? You are. Yes, you are.
So much for firepower. Great Prince Gargle!
Midnight Crawler? Epic fail, Gabriel! Would you like to exit the game? Yes!
But I thought you could control water creatures.
Error message. Midnight Crawler exceed Gargle's bandwidth! Ah!
The Earthstorm Giant! We're saved!
But we'll have to give up half our harvest to him in payment.
If we don't drive away that Earth Eater, there won't be any harvest to give up.
Okay, now that's just gross.
Yes! Midnight Crawler is defeated!
Not defeated. Full. Stuffed to gills.
Our crops are devastated. If the creature returns, the Quillspike will starve.
Can't you just plant your crops somewhere else?
This land has been Quillspike territory for thousands of years. We would sooner be devoured along with it than pack up and leave.
That's Beastkin stubbornness.
You are half beastkin yourself, son. Never forget that.
Surely the other tribes would come to your aid.
You have much to learn about the nature civilization, human. Tribes do not always help one another.
Unless we had the Shield of Unity. Maybe you should wish for a 10-foot set of horns while you're at it, brother.
Care to let us in on the joke?
The Shield of Unity is the nature civilization's most powerful and prized artifact. It compels all other tribes to rally to the side of whichever tribe possesses it.
Okay, so where do we find the shield?
You do not find the shield. You earn it by winning the nature civilization's dueling games.
But no Quillspike has ever won, so competing would be pointless.
Just like our half-brother.
Wait, that's it. The Quillspike have a natural-born fighter right here.
There is nothing natural born about this fighter.
You have just as much right to compete as any other beastkin, Barebottom.
Very well. I will duel in the competition for the Quillspike on one condition. Never call me by that name again.
Ow! Easy on the bumps. You're not exactly equipped with padded seats.
Maybe you should have stayed behind with Gabe and Master Chavez.
No way. Anywhere's better than that bug sanctuary. Oh, you have got to be kidding me. We have to climb on that thing?
We have to climb in that thing.
This is a nature competition. No fire kind allowed.
I am half nature.
Is that so? Then declare your tribe, half-breed.
He's Quillspike.
And what are you?
They're with me.
No pets allowed.
Who is going to stop me? You?
No, him.
Okay, take it easy, big guy. Don't lose your head.
Do not harm humans. Humans are a rumor.
Hear that? We've been upgraded from myth to rumor.
Humans real as Shouder. This one is of my tribe. The Bronze Arm tribe.
Very well. But this way leads only to the battle zone.
It's okay. Me and Bob are, dueling partners.
From two different tribes?
Yeah, Bob's only half a beast, and Ray's an honorary beast. So together they make one whole beast, right?
Barely. You may pass. Warriors only, human.
No problem. Anything beats climbing up. Okay, try not to roll. Try not to roll. Try not to roll. I'm so gonna hurl. I see you brought the whole family. No, you go ahead. I've suddenly decided to become a vegetarian.
Bad luck for Snow Sprite. Granted, Avenger will flatten with one blow.
But you gotta root for the underdog, right? Go, little Snowy! Let me guess. Giant fans? Looks like somebody got flattened with one blow. Oh, just shut up now.
We must await our turn in the battle zone.
Quillspike! That's you, Bob.
Don't remind me.
Whoa! Were we just summoned into battle?
You thought only humans could summon?
Bloodmane! Oh, it's nice to start with a friendly face.
There are no friends in the great competition.
You are a Quillspike?
I am Tetsui in the Unchained!
Someone's a little touchy about his nature side.
I care nothing for the Quillspike!
Why do you not care for your tribe? Is it because they are grass-eating, border-dwelling non-warriors? Do not be ashamed, Quillspike. All beastkin have their place in the nature civilization. Some higher up the food chain than others.
Faster, my sons! We must harvest all our crops before the crawler returns!
We'll be ready for the creature if it does.
No offense, Master Chavez, but we need better strategy than driving it back into the water with fire.
Wish Gargle could drive back into water. Nature civilization dehydrate Gargle.
That's it! We've been doing this all wrong. We shouldn't drive the creature into the water. We should drive it out of the water where it's weaker.
Gabriel, that's genius!
What kind of machine can he possibly make out of a pencil and paper?
Not machine.
Plan. That ought to do it, Gargle.
That's your big plan? Bury it?
Oh, yeah! Ice that bug! Got a problem with that? Go Snowy! Go Snowy!
There is no shame in being a grass eater. Everyone eats grass once in a while.
Will you just ignore him? He's not trying to insult your beastkin.
I told you I cared nothing for the Quillspike!
Hold, Quillspike! Attack me, and you destroy the human. Now, submit. Your move, Quillspike. Do you risk destroying your friend? Or let the tick drain his mana?
Or how about I just squish your bug?
You see, with a little help from a puny human, even a Quillspike can stave off defeat. For a moment.
At least the Quillspike would never hide behind a puny human shield.
You dare insult Bloodmane?
Don't worry. There's no shame in being defeated by a Quillspike.
I am fortunate I fought you in the arena, and not in the wilds.
You are unfortunate you fought me when I duel to save my Quillspike.
Yes, go Quillspike!
Do not celebrate just yet.
No hard feelings from before, right?
Okay, children. Why are you so interested in little Snowy? What's a nature sprite doing with a water civilization weapon?
Stay focused. You have another battle, and you must win. I will possess the Shield of Unity. Come.
Get off, get off, get off, get off! There was something awfully familiar about little Snowy. Of Lakshmi.
Shouter not believe Shouter's eyes. No Quillspike ever make finals.
Looks like we get that practice duel after all.
Shouter not practice. Shouter fight! For the Bronze Arm Tribe!
Hello? Honorary member here?
Today I battle for the Quillspike. So today, I battle as a Quillspike.
You earn Shouter's respect, Quillspike.
And I thank you. But now I must earn the Shield of Unity. The final round. Whoever can get to the shield wins the shield.
Ray! Bob! The snow sprite is working for the children! Oh, they're never gonna hear me. But I know someone they will hear. Scaradorable of Gloom Hollow! Okay, Hugs. Look, I know you're not exactly welcome here in the nature realm, Squeaky, but I need you to stop that snow sprite.
A darkness creature! Banish it back to where it came from!
Saguru?
Eat my crawler! Run, program!
Heal a flame! Drive him to shore! Still sure about this plan?
We got the sea monster out of the sea, didn't we?
This plan could use a little fire insurance. Kanina, the igniter! Kanina, the trees! Perhaps I should not have doubted you and Gargle.
You know, maybe fire and water can work together after all. Forces in opposition and yet complementary to one another. Not unlike the yin-yang mandala.
That's not the Earth Stomp Giant.
Midnight Crawler is eating its way out of the trap!